Well guys, we've arrived. It's desert. Officially the desert vlog has started. We got the rammer, as you guys know, pulled great. And in the last video, a lot of you guys estimated you gotta just get a fifth one, man. It tows amazing. I'm sure it tows 10 times better than a bumper pull, but I will say, guys, you know, I mean, I can literally cruise 80 miles an hour with this thing and doesn't budge, does not move. I don't know if it's maybe just set up proper. I don't know if it's because the airbags, what it is, but this thing does not budge, doesn't sway, doesn't, you know, do anything to make my drive uncomfortable. And then we have Michael here, right here, with the old Duramax. I will say, oh, by the way, look at our group. So it's me, Mike, we got a ton of people this trip, and Big Norm, and me. That's it. Literally triangle.
Email from the bank.
That's all we are right now, is a triangle. But here's, yeah, Michael's Duramax right here. I will say, for the GM, guys, this is my favorite look right here for a GM. You know, the new one, I like the new one, but I'm not in love with it. The look of this GMC is personally my favorite. And check this out. Here's what's very interesting. So this is a 2000, Michael, here's this truck, 17, 18? 17. It's got projectors in it. The 2020 Duramax, they do not have projectors in it. They got rid of the projection and went like the old school style where there is no projector. But Ram, Ford, all of them, this GM has projectors. I don't know why GM decided to get rid of them. You know, it's GM. I noticed they get rid of technology. They don't make it better. They don't add. They just keep taking from you. I don't know. Weird. Don't understand. And it's now, you guys know, it's our lunchtime. We're gonna have a little pastrami sandwich.
A hat because I don't want to video it with my hair.
I don't want to video with his hair. Making a little pastrami, guys. A little tomato, a little mustard. Buster. It's gonna be beautiful. And to update you guys on the whole solar inverter situation on these, a lot of you guys asked me, well, Eddie, mine only comes with one panel. You know, is it gonna be enough, or is two gonna be enough? So when this thing was one panel, it was fine. But look at this. We are 13.2. I have not turned on the generator. We've been here since we got here Thursday afternoon. It is currently Friday, about 3:30, and it's shown here that we're still 13.2, and the solar is still charging the battery. So, I mean, I gotta say, man, putting an inverter on these things is completely worth it. And, by the way, this little fridge, my little mini fridge that I got, this thing stays on, plugged in just to 110, just like that. And this fridge I put on propane because it hardly uses any propane, so why, you know, take up the electricity, I should say, if you don't have to. This, unfortunately, does not run off propane, but this thing is so energy efficient, and it's not on eco either. I keep it on the max. So if you put it there, see, that's the eco. I keep it on max, don't put it on eco. I mean, it's been great. Battery's still good. 13.2, we're charging. It's your little logo. So I would highly suggest, if you guys get one of these, put an inverter in it, because your Attitude comes with at least one solar panel you can add, and you still have power, you see, to the TV and everything else you want to do around here. But if you guys want to check out a real fridge, I know you guys saw my fridge, and I'll show you guys a real fridge. This is nice, but this is massive. Look at this thing. It is the Dometic. It's the double doors. You have your fridge portion in here, and you have your freezer portion in here. And these black spots are from Michael's hands. Michael?
No, I washed my hands before I touched that.
Okay, we're gonna have to figure out whose dirty fingerprints were those. But this thing is huge, guys. This, I mean, it's pretty much almost takes up this entire slide. And look at the thickness of this thing. That's how well insulated it is. But, I mean, the price, you know, the one that I did the video on earlier was, I think, only $300-400 bucks. You get what you pay for. You know, this thing was like $1,500. And mine is more, I would say, portable, where you can take it, put it in the back of a truck. You can put this in the back of a truck, but boy, it's going to be big and it's going to get heavy. So, but it's an amazing fridge. I mean, it's got its own phone app. You know, Michael can control it with the phone, adjust temperature, everything. Okay, guys, we got a little project to do here. I just found, look at this. So it's sitting on this cardboard, but it looks kind of tacky, cheesy. So we're going to use this. I got this. We're going to cut it out, make it look nice, set it on here, get rid of that cardboard look. All right, guys, well, ready to go on a ride? Ready? Eddie, ready? Ready? Perfect. Let's go. So this poor guy right there on that dirt bike, something's going on. He's having a very bad day. He tried to bump start his dirt bike, came all the way from the top, down, couldn't get it, then tried to bury the bike. It stood up for about 30 seconds, then the bike falls over, then he breaks the flag when it falls over. He's just he's having a bad day. Alright guys, well, we are now headed to the drag here with Michael and Michael's car. And it's a little bouncy in this thing, but headed now to the drags, and well, we'll show you, see if it's got any action going on over there. Go ahead, do a California stop.
No cop, no stop.
You guys call that the California? Oh, that's a nice rammer right there. So that was the California stop, you guys call it. And well, you know, Michael, that was very dangerous. Oh, that's a nice rammer too. Look at that. That's a good looking rammer. You know what?
Steering wheel's gonna fall off.
Yeah, I hate crossing the street. This is like, I'm like, oh, like with the paddle, it's painful. Hey guys, we have arrived. I love this car. This is a beautiful, beautiful car right here. I don't know what kind of car it is, but oh my goodness. This is a beautiful sand car. And it's got my favorite colors in it, white. Holy shit! What the hell is in that car? Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna try to get, if he comes back, guys, I'm gonna get that car from the start first, start to finish. Holy, wow, excuse my language. Shit. That thing is fast. Look at this little two-seater. It is so fast. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. That Tatum car is so fast. Yeah. There you go. Some trophy trucks or something like that. Whatever you want to call them. Wow. Look at this Ford, guys. Look at them. Oh, guys, look at this L5P. All I see is a cloud of black smoke. I like the buggies, but this is more my style right here. Look at these. You got an L5P, and that looks like an LML right there. Look at that. Alright guys, so he's taking this big mamma jamma right here down the drags. Him and that L5P right there. L5P versus deleted LML. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh my god. Did a wheelie, nice. Oh, look at him. He's got this thing all lit up at night. White and blue lights. This is awesome. Alright, that's never good when you got a tire just sitting right there. You better go help this guy or stop traffic or something. Oh. Guessing it's yours. Okay.
Unfortunately, yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh my god, it's all tore up. Huh?
Yeah, it looks like it's busted.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
No worries. of the trip. Trip is over. Tried to get some, you know, night footage for you, but it was so windy. We got stuck with another windy, I can't say windy trip. Just Saturday night started getting really bad, and that's why it's like 9 o'clock, and we got the hell out of there because they said at 10 o'clock today the desert's supposed to be 25-mile-an-hour winds, and it's not fun when it's windy in the desert because that sand is just smacking you right in your face. You can't even sit outside and relax. So we're gone. We left, just left. It's a very sad day, but don't worry, we'll be back out there. And this is my favorite part, is getting ready to climb up the grades. I really enjoy that part with this truck. But we're good. We're going straight home. Don't need to stop. We're still almost full on fuel. See that right there? It's fuel gauge. So still almost full, but we're good. We'll make it back home. I usually make it home with about a half a tank, a little more than a half a tank. I usually make it home. Go, boy. This is the grade right here, the big boy. Which this is the one. Some of you guys asked me, Eddie, where is this? So if you are heading pretty much 8, I should say west, you'll hit it. If you're going 8 east, you're gonna come down it. So I know some of you guys already know what this is, but it's I want to say it is a 6% grade for 12 miles, and this is not the toughest part, but the toughest part I would say is coming up where it gets really steep and it's got a lot of turns. Yeah, right there. That's the toughest part right there of it. But you know, the old rammer, I mean, we cruise. We're just cruising 65, no biggie. And if you want to accelerate, well, you can accelerate. Probably here in the truck. And if you just want to keep accelerating, you can just keep accelerating and keep going and going and going. But I gotta say, guys, overall, very, very happy with this truck. It pulls amazing. All right, guys, we are now finally home here in the garage, and we have cleaned up the rammer. She's all clean. She was pretty dirty, a little mainly dusty, had a lot of sand collected on her. Now I can sleep better at night, knowing she's nice and clean. And knowing, check this out. So this stuff, guys, actually, Nick at Genesis Detailing got this new OP stuff, and this stuff is pretty damn amazing what it does. So usually all of the sand, I usually scrub it or whatever, the dirt, the grime on the tire. But usually all of the sand, everything that's stuck on it, man, I spray this stuff, hit it with the pressure washer, and I sprayed it in here, and it got it dang clean without pretty much doing any physical work. So if you guys really want to do that, you know, well, go check this out. Go DM Genesis Detailing. He's got this OP stuff. And stay tuned. We got the Jackson for the ding ding right here. This is going to be the next install. After pretty much looking, guys, forever and doing tons and tons of research. I'm not going to get, you know, a bunch involved in this video, but after doing tons of research, this system, Equalizer Systems, they got a brain, you know, start there. They understand what I was trying to do. They understand what I was talking to them about, and they have a good product for fifth wheels or tow behinds, like my ding ding. These are good, all four. Total weight is good for 30,000 pounds, and one is not, you know, massive than the other. The problem I was having is because I don't have fifth wheel, I didn't need that huge one, and I like it. They got the huge base. And it's so simple. I mean, look how easy this is. And you can do it by your phone. It's Android and iPhone base. I mean, this is a very, very easy job, guys. These are just literally going to bolt to the frame of the trailer. You got your pump. You got your lines, you know, run your lines. I mean, these fittings will take the Napa, press the fittings on. Power, I mean, that's it. You can't get easier than this. This is simple, guys. And you can't really mess this up. They literally code, they let you know where all of these go. So, I mean, come on, can't make it easier than that. Well, it's a simple install, but stay tuned. I will be doing a full-blown install for you guys on this thing. But I know you're gonna ask me, the company is Equalizer Systems, but I'll get more really in-depth with it and explain how we're gonna install this in another video. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this desert vlog. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Don't want to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.